This is Rajiv here. Welcome to my channel Job Vacancy Openings in Goa. Lotus restaurant at Margao is looking for dishwashers and all-rounder cooks. This video is sponsored by Las Vegas Supermarket. They are located at Arpora, Goa. अगर आप गोवा में जॉब ढूंढ रहे हो तो अपना सीवी भर के व्हाट्सएप कर देना। ये हमारा सीवी का फॉर्मेट है। सीवी को इस तरह डिटेल में भर के व्हाट्सएप कर देना। सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल बिकॉज यूट्यूब may show you my video thumbnails 10 or 15 times. But if you don't subscribe, they will stop showing you my thumbnails. As YouTube assumes you are not interested in my channel. So, in future, when you are in need to view my channel, you will not find the link.